Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see live location on Google Maps. So at first, just go to the Google Maps app. Make sure the app is updated and just turn on your phone location. Now just here you can see in the bottom right here there are two icons. One is round with white color. If you click on it, it will show your location where you are currently in. Just like go anywhere you want and click on it, it will show your location. If you want to send your location to your friend or any person that you want and he want to see your live location, you can just share the location. Just like at first, just click on your top in the right icon, your profile icon. Now here you can see in the middle here location sharing, click on it. Click on share location, the blue one. Now here you can see you can select the time for how much time you want to share your location for. You can select this for minimum 15 minutes and up to 1 day. After selecting the time, just you can share your location through your contacts or the third-party apps just like messages, chats, Telegram, Chrome and so many. After selecting the medium, the other person will see a link, and when they click the link they will see your live location through the link. So guys, that's how you can share live location on Google Maps and see it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.